Imagine if the secret to vastly improving your health and completely revitalizing your life was just a sip away. What if by simply adding 5 basic ingredients to your daily tea or coffee, you could unlock a world of wellness that helps combat illnesses and diseases? Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, get ready to be amazed because what may seem too good to be true is actually grounded in holistic health practices that have existed for centuries. In this insightful exploration, we're going to delve into the realm of natural remedies, discovering the transformative potential of 5 remarkable ingredients. When you incorporate these simple additions into your tea or coffee, you'll be taking significant steps toward better health and well-being. But that's not all. By the end of this journey, you won't just know what these ingredients are, you'll also understand how they work within your body to boost immunity, detoxify your system, and enhance your overall vitality. The benefits range from improving digestion to offering your skin a clearer, more radiant appearance. These ingredients don't just add flavor, they bring with them the power to influence nearly every aspect of your health. Imagine starting your mornings feeling refreshed, knowing that each sip you take is not only waking you up, but also nourishing your body in a profound way. Gone are the days of feeling sluggish and fatigued. Instead, you'll be fueled with a vitality that effortlessly carries you through your day. And the beauty of it? These benefits don't just apply to your mornings. As you incorporate these simple ingredients into your daily routine, the positive effects will ripple throughout your life, improving everything from your energy levels to your skin tone. Best of all, these life-changing ingredients are easy to find and affordable. You won't need to invest in expensive supplements or learn complicated rituals. This is about a simple change to your favorite morning drink that has the potential to change your life. So if you're ready to take control of your health and embark on a journey of transformation, stick with us. By the end, you'll be equipped with knowledge that will empower you to make small but mighty changes to your daily routine. Let's get started. In our modern, fast-paced lives, we often overlook the simple yet powerful gifts that nature has to offer. There's an ancient elixir, revered for centuries, known for its incredible healing abilities when approached with mindfulness and reverence. As Buddha wisely observed, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. With that wisdom as our guide, we will embark on a journey through the world of natural remedies, supported by the teachings of Buddha and the principles of Zen philosophy. These ancient teachings remind us of the deep connection between nature and our health, and they encourage us to embrace a cup of tea or coffee that nurtures both body and soul. To begin our journey of holistic health, we must first gather the finest ingredients that nature has to offer. Each element, carefully chosen for its unique properties, contributes to a perfect blend of flavors and benefits. Together, these ingredients promote balance, well-being, and vitality. Let us now embark on this sacred ritual of tea and coffee making, guided by mindfulness and reverence. As we prepare our brew, we will not only appreciate the taste, but also the health benefits that these simple ingredients can provide. Our first ingredient is the humble yet powerful ginger root, a staple in traditional medicine across cultures. For thousands of years, ginger has been celebrated for its medicinal properties. According to Buddhist and Zen teachings, balance and harmony are key to maintaining well-being, and ginger, with its warming qualities, is a vital component in achieving this internal equilibrium. In Ayurvedic medicine, ginger is known as a universal remedy, particularly revered for its ability to aid digestion. It promotes the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Ginger's digestive benefits make it an excellent remedy for indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Beyond its digestive properties, ginger is also renowned for its anti-inflammatory effects, which are primarily due to its bioactive compounds known as gingerols. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief for those suffering from arthritis, rheumatism, and muscle soreness. In addition to supporting joint health and mobility, ginger is a trusted remedy for nausea, especially during pregnancy or while traveling. Its soothing effects on the gastrointestinal system are well documented. Moreover, ginger is packed with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress thus boosting your immune system and lowering the risk of various illnesses. Its cardiovascular benefits, such as lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation, contribute to heart health and may reduce the likelihood of heart disease and stroke. Ginger's warming nature is also helpful for respiratory issues like colds, coughs, and congestion, making it an excellent remedy for clearing mucus from the lungs and soothing respiratory discomfort. Culinarily, ginger is an incredibly versatile ingredient. Whether added to savory dishes, desserts, or beverages, it enhances flavor and offers substantial health benefits. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and enjoy overall well-being. Next on our list of ingredients is cinnamon bark. Known for its rich aroma and potent therapeutic properties, cinnamon plays an essential role in balancing and moderating our consumption choices. According to Buddhist and Zen teachings, moderation is crucial for a harmonious life, and cinnamon exemplifies this principle with its health-boosting properties. Its powerful antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This is especially significant because oxidative stress and inflammation are major contributors to chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. When you add cinnamon to your tea or coffee, you're not just adding a delightful aroma and flavor, you're also fostering a mindful approach to consumption. This awareness leads to a more balanced lifestyle, which is in harmony with the teachings of Buddha and Zen. Cinnamon's impact on blood sugar regulation is particularly noteworthy. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those managing diabetes or trying to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Furthermore, cinnamon's antimicrobial properties promote oral health by fighting bacteria that cause infections. This aligns with the holistic view of health in Buddhist and Zen philosophies, where the well-being of the body is intricately connected to mental and spiritual health. In essence, cinnamon offers not only physical benefits, but also serves as a reminder of the importance of living a balanced and harmonious life. Our third ingredient, cardamom pods, embodies the principle of simplicity. Despite their small size, these pods are packed with flavor and aroma that can enhance your tea or coffee. Cardamom's digestive benefits are well known. It helps soothe the stomach, relieve gas and bloating, and promote healthy digestion. This ties back to the Zen philosophy of nourishing the body through simple, natural means. Beyond its digestive properties, cardamom is rich in antioxidants, which protect the body against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. In Zen philosophy, simplicity and mindfulness are key to finding contentment, and cardamom encourages us to embrace this simplicity. Adding cardamom to your tea or coffee can enhance your sensory experience while promoting overall well-being. It reminds us to appreciate life's subtle pleasures and find joy in the present moment. Cloves, another ingredient with a rich history, are a powerful ally in promoting health and well-being. Originating from Indonesia's Maluku Islands, cloves have been used for thousands of years for their aromatic and medicinal properties. Rich in antioxidants, particularly eugenol, cloves offer anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits. They are commonly used to treat toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain, and are also known for improving digestion and boosting immunity. In traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, cloves are highly valued for their ability to balance the body's energy. They also hold cultural significance, playing an essential role in culinary traditions and spiritual practices. Cloves are often used in aromatherapy for their calming effects on the mind and body. Spiritually, they are employed in rituals for purification and protection, symbolizing love, prosperity, and good fortune. Whether used in cooking, medicine, or spiritual practices, cloves continue to be cherished for their versatile benefits. Turmeric powder, with its vibrant color and incredible healing properties, is a symbol of the Buddhist principle of impermanence, the idea that life is constantly changing. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a powerful tool in the fight against chronic diseases like cancer and arthritis. Curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative damage makes turmeric an essential ingredient in promoting overall health and well-being. When we add turmeric to our tea or coffee, we embrace the transformative power of change. Its golden hue and healing qualities remind us to stay resilient and adaptable, no matter what life throws our way. In addition to its physical benefits, turmeric has been linked to cognitive health, with research suggesting that curcumin may help prevent conditions like Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you not only nurture your body, but also strengthen your mind and spirit. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is revered in various spiritual traditions for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body cope with stress and promote mental clarity. According to Buddha's teachings, mindfulness and awareness are essential for cultivating inner peace, and holy basil plays a crucial role in this process. Its ability to reduce stress and anxiety makes it an invaluable ally in maintaining mental well-being. Holy basil is also rich in antioxidants, which protect the body from oxidative stress and improve overall vitality. As we embrace the sacredness of holy basil in our tea or coffee, we cultivate gratitude and mindfulness, finding peace in the simple act of nourishing ourselves. Holy basil serves as a reminder to stay grounded in the present moment and to approach life with calmness and awareness. The practice of coffee meditation, where we savor each sip with mindfulness, allows us to tune into the sensory experience of drinking coffee. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee awakens our senses, while the warmth of the cup reminds us of the interconnectedness of all beings. In this way, coffee becomes more than just a beverage. It becomes a vehicle for spiritual awakening, a reminder of our connection to the universe. Arabica coffee beans, known for their delicate flavors and nuanced aromas, represent purity and clarity, which are central to Zen philosophy. Clarity of mind is essential for attaining enlightenment, and Arabica coffee serves as a gentle guide along this path. Arabica beans are celebrated as one of the highest quality coffee varieties, offering a smooth, low-acid brew that elevates the coffee drinking experience. The caffeine in Arabica coffee also contributes to mental alertness, helping us focus and engage with the present moment. As we sip Arabica coffee, we are reminded to cultivate clarity and mindfulness in all aspects of our lives. This coffee becomes a companion on our journey toward enlightenment, awakening our senses and guiding us toward inner peace. On the other hand, Robusta coffee beans, with their bolder flavor and higher caffeine content, symbolize resilience, a key concept in Zen philosophy. Resilience reflects the ability to endure life's challenges with strength and determination. Robusta beans, known for their robustness, remind us to cultivate inner strength and face adversity with courage. The higher caffeine content provides a boost of energy and physical endurance, aligning with the Buddhist emphasis on cultivating vitality in both body and mind. As we incorporate Robusta coffee into our daily rituals, we honor its spirit of resilience and embrace the teachings of Buddha and Zen. Each cup serves as a reminder of the courage and perseverance that lie within us, empowering us to face life's challenges with grace. Cacao nibs, hailed as a sacred gift from the earth, offer a unique opportunity for indulgence with mindfulness. Derived from the cacao bean, these nibs are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which support overall well-being by reducing oxidative stress and promoting heart health. In Zen philosophy, indulgence, when approached with mindfulness, can lead to a deeper appreciation of life's joys. By incorporating cacao nibs into our tea or coffee, we infuse each sip with a touch of indulgence, savoring the richness of the moment with gratitude. Cacao's rich flavor profile and health benefits remind us to find balance in our lives, appreciating both the pleasures and the nourishment that life offers. Vanilla beans, with their sweet fragrance and calming presence, invite us to slow down and find serenity in the present moment. Vanilla's soothing properties promote relaxation, helping to lower blood pressure and reduce anxiety. In Buddhist practice, cultivating tranquility and harmony is essential for achieving inner peace, and vanilla serves as a gentle reminder to embrace moments of calm. As we incorporate vanilla beans into our daily rituals, we nurture our spirits and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Vanilla's sweet fragrance envelops us in a comforting embrace, reminding us to find solace in the simple pleasures of life. In conclusion, whether you choose ginger for its digestive benefits, cinnamon for its balancing effects, cardamom for its simplicity, or turmeric for its transformative power, each of these ingredients offers unique benefits. Together, they can revolutionize your tea or coffee routine, bringing mindfulness, balance, and well-being into every sip. Thank you for joining this journey into the heart of holistic health and mindfulness. May your cup always be filled with serenity, vitality, and a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you.